Are you considering implementing ISO 9001? Let's explore the benefits and steps to success. ISO 9001 is a quality management standard that can improve customer satisfaction and business efficiency. According to a study by the International Organization for Standardization, companies that implement ISO 9001 see a 20% increase in efficiency. The first step is to create a quality management system. This involves identifying processes, procedures, and policies that align with the standard. Next, ensure that employees are trained and aware of the quality management system. This will involve communication, training, and awareness programs. Lastly, conduct internal audits to ensure that the quality management system is effective and being followed. This will involve regular audits and corrective action plans.